देखिए, हम सिंपल सी बात बोलते हैं, हम किसी से भी मिले नहीं है। हम मिले हैं तो तेलंगाना की जनता से और भारत की जनता से। अब दोनों नेशनल पार्टी जो कहलाती थी, उन दोनों का यही डर है कि केसीआर साहब को देश की जनता ज्यादा चाहने लगी है। तेलंगाना की जनता तो कैसे भी चाहती है, वापस सरकार में ला रही है, तो अलग अलग एलिगेशंस वो लगाएंगे। लेकिन एंड ऑफ द डे वी आर नॉट एनीबडीज बी टीम, वी आर तेलंगाना पीपल्स एंड इंडियन पीपल्स ए टीम।
मैडम, लोग अप्रूवल टर्न हुआ है ये दिल्ली लिकर स्कैम में, आपको समन आया है, तो इस पूरे प्रकरण को क्योंकि 3 लोग अप्रूवल टर्न हुए हैं, तो कितनी मुश्किलें बढ़ सकती है आपकी?
Brother, as I said, it looks like a TV serial, never-ending TV serial. So I have no idea what is happening with that. But end of the day, party legal team will advise us, and we will go through their advice. So it is not a big issue or a serious issue to be discussed. It is a politically motivated summon. We will take a legal recourse on that.
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this
because,
issue?
Recently when recent summons were issued, you went to the Delhi, you appeared for the questioning, and even after coming out, you stated that they wait to sit me there, and you have made several comments attacking the BJP. And now again it's a poll-bound state. You said polls are nearer. So how do you see this? Basically, will you be attending it? And one side BJP is attacking, one side Congress is attacking. They are claiming that a beating of Congress saying that a beating of BJP. So how do you see this? Why are you claiming that it's politically motivated?
Ma'am, how do you see the timing of this summons? It's just coming at a time when the election campaign is at a crucial stage. Do you think this will affect TRS party if there is further development from the notice?
Well, as I said, it is clearly politically motivated. From the beginning, I have been saying the same thing, and it has been the modus operandi of Bharatiya Janata Party in any poll-bound state. So now Telangana is going to polls. The modus operandi has taken, again, kickback.